Hey y'all, welcome to this week's grocery haul. Pretty much everything over here came from Kroger's, with the exception of a few things I got at Walmart. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I'm gonna start out right here. I got these, the little Laura bar chocolate chip cookie dough, and I got this Cliff bar that was chocolate chip. I wanted to try these. I haven't ever tried them. I've seen that Kristen Casper, I think the Laura bars she buys. And then also when I was at Kroger's, I got these for my kids. I got a cookie dunker, Lunchable, a dirt cake, and a s'mores dippers. I'm just gonna let them each have one after school today as a snack. Just something fun. I got some Starbucks Colombian coffee, 2 green bell peppers, 2 jalapeno peppers, a 5-pound bag of russet potatoes, and I dropped my jalapeno peppers. I usually buy yellow onions, but I couldn't find any, so I got a bag, a 2-pound bag of white onions. We got a bag of baby carrots. Also a bag of celery sticks. And then I wanted to try this to go along with the meal this week. It is a chopped kit. It's chipotle and cheddar. And it has like the dressing and everything in it. I just thought it sounded good. Also, they were having a really good sale at Kroger's, y'all. If you have a Kroger, I'm telling you, you need to go. So I got this Land O'Lake butter, $2.49. It's like the buy 10 and save. So you have to buy 10 of the participating items to get it for this price. So anyways, I got these, and I went ahead and got the half sticks and then just the regular, and they were $2.49 a piece. That's not bad. I also got a beef chuck roast. I'm gonna make a roast this week. And then they also had their ground beef on sale, and I was gonna get 2 of the 90-10. They only had 1. So I got an 85-15 also. Okay, moving y'all over here. I got this for a meal I'm making tonight, a recipe. I needed whole tomatoes, a 28-ounce can. And then I've never tried this. It is Campbell's sausage gravy. It was only 49 cents. I think I'm gonna just try it one morning with the kids. The beef broth was also 49 cents. I needed that for a recipe. And then, so that I don't have to take everything and move it around, all of this stuff was, as long as you bought 10 items of this, 10 of these participating items, they were 49 cents. So I got 3 cans of the Green Giant kitchen sliced green beans. I got 4 cans of the Green Giant whole kernel sweet corn. I got 5 cans of the Campbell's cream of chicken, 5 cans of Campbell's cream of mushroom, and I got 6 cans of the Swanson chicken broth, and I got the low sodium. And then they had a sale where on the Kroger brand spices, they were buy one get one free. I needed black pepper, so I figured I would just get 2 of those. Okay, these were a part of that buy 10 and save, and they were 79 cents, I think. We got 2 of the Totino party pizzas that were pepperoni and pork shoulder bacon. We got 1 triple cheese Totino's pizza. And we got 1 of the regular pepperoni. And I also got this Green Giant Simply Steamed broccoli and cheese sauce that you put in the microwave. Okay, y'all, move you over here. At Walmart, I bought this apple pie filling because last week I made the poor man's cherry cobbler, and this week I think one day I'm going to make the apple. This also came from Walmart. I just got some biscuits. I think I'm going to try those with that sausage gravy I showed y'all. And my kids wanted some eggnog, so we got this Southern Comfort traditional eggnog. I needed some heavy whipping cream. That was from Walmart. And then also at Walmart, I've never bought the rainbow ones like this. We usually just get the plain, but they didn't have any. But they're just like little mini marshmallows that you can put, well, you put them in hot chocolate. The kids love them. And then this was from Walmart. Oops. We needed Q-tips. I needed another toothbrush. I bought one at Dollar Tree last week or a week or two ago, and it was the medium, not the soft, and it hurts my teeth, so I realized I needed the soft. And these were only like 97 cents for 2. And then paper plates. Y'all, I hate doing dishes. I know paper plates. I shouldn't use them, but I already have enough dishes, so. Okay, moving back over here. I went ahead and just got one box of these fruit gushers because they were on sale. I got 2 yellow cake mixes from Kroger's. I got Sara Lee, the white whole grain bread. Hope y'all are seeing this okay. The lighting is not the best for some reason. These were on sale too, but I only bought 3. Just 3 of the little Velveeta shells and cheese, and the kids can have those one day after school. And they had I cannot remember now how much these were. I'll try to remember and put these on the screen because it was like 49 cents, I believe, or 79. But anyways, they were part of the buy 10 and save. I got the penne rigate. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Got one of those. One of the fettuccine noodles. I got 2 of the thin spaghetti noodles. These are all just to go in the pantry. And then I thought I would try this Ronzoni Garden Delight Veggie Spaghetti. I think I bought this a long time ago, but it's been forever ago. Okay, y'all. They also had the Annie's mac and cheese on sale. And for some reason, my son loves that, which all my kids like the Annie's brand. Doritos and Sun Chips, all on sale at Kroger's. And I love buying these at Kroger's because they're only like 59 cents. I bought 4 of the ranch and 1 of the Italian. This was not on sale, but I'm doing a recipe, and for some reason this ditalini pasta, I have a hard time finding it. I mean, I guess I could use another one, but... And then I like these pastry crisp, the Special K. They're only like 100 calories. I used to eat these all the time when I was losing weight, and I kind of got away from it. For some reason in the mornings, I always crave sweet stuff, so this is going to have to take the place of all this donuts and stuff I keep getting. And Fruity Pebbles cereal. And then, this is something I bought for myself. I won a gift card from Andrew Jean, and I haven't bought much with it. Let me show you all better. This was one of the things I have bought so far. It's a Pioneer Woman, they're the, what are they called, melamine serving bowl set. They're so cute. There's 3 different sizes, and they have lids. And I don't have a lot of the big bowls with lids, and a lot of times I need them. And I just thought this design and everything was so pretty. They were like $14.88. So I went ahead and bought that for myself. That was separate from everything else. But I will put on the screen, I believe I spent $88 at Kroger's and maybe around $20 at Walmart. But I will put all that on the screen right here for you. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching my grocery haul, and be sure to tune in Friday morning at 8 a.m. Central Time for my What's for Dinner. This week's What's for Dinner, y'all, has some really good recipes, and I'm really proud of everything I'm going to be making this week. So thank you so much, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new videos. So thank y'all so much. Have a wonderful day.